The no SIM card error on your Tracfone means your phone isn't recognizing the SIM, preventing calls and data. This is often due to a dirty or misaligned SIM. First, power off your phone. Use a soft cloth or compressed air to gently clean the SIM card tray. Avoid liquids. Carefully reinsert the SIM card and power on the phone. If the error persists, proceed to the next step. If cleaning doesn't work, check the ICE, which is the Integrated Circuit Card Identifier. On Android, go to Settings, About Phone, Status ICCID. If the ICCI is unreadable or missing, your SIM is likely faulty. You'll need a replacement SIM from Tracfone, available on their website, app, or retailers like Walmart. You'll need to verify your account, transfer the ICCI to the new SIM, and activate it. This usually takes 24 to 48 hours. If you're still having issues after that, you may need to contact Tracfone support or look into upgrading to an eSIM compatible device to avoid issues with physical SIM cards.